If you have this yellow or orange screen issue on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, first you can go to settings, and then we're going to proceed to display settings over here. Now in display settings we have a couple of options that we want to check out. The first one is the eye comfort shield. If it's enabled, then it turns the screen into this yellow or orange color. It applies this filter. Of course it is used to make it more comfortable for you to use the screen at night or the phone. You can adjust the color temperature if you have the custom option, but of course you can just completely turn this option off if you don't like it at all. Another thing that can turn this screen a little bit orange is the adaptive color tone. So if you have this option enabled, your display might be orange-ish or maybe even blue-ish, so you might want to turn this option off. And also we have the screen mode. Although the difference is not so noticeable, you can definitely see it if you switch between the warm color and the middle option, the natural color. So you might want to simply make sure that the white balance is set to this middle option. Also, vivid colors look more white-ish, or the display is brighter. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.